Hi and welcome to 30 Days of Shortcuts with me, Martin Goods. Over the next 30 days we are going to look at the tips and tricks you'll need to help you get going with shortcuts. From building them to using them to finding them, we've got you covered. Let's get started on today's activity. Today we're going to continue looking at third-party apps that you can use with shortcuts. The one I want to talk to you about today is called Scriptable, which you can download from the App Store. The context that we're going to look at is creating a bookmark to a file that you have within the Files app, one that you can launch from the home screen. On Mac Stories, Federico Vitici has created one called FS Bookmarks. I use this as a great place to find additional shortcuts that you can use. I'm going to download and install this shortcut. When you run through it for the first time, it takes you into Scriptable. This needs Scriptable installed in order to make the bookmark of your file. First time you run it, you get taken through the setup screens. So it asks if you have Scriptable installed. It then asks you to install the script. So by tapping OK, it takes you to the Scriptable app. You tap Add to My Scripts, then tap Done, go back into Shortcuts, and it will install the second of the two scripts that you need. So let's tap OK again. Back into Scriptable, tap Add to My Scripts, and there you have the two that you need. Now you don't need anything else in order for this to work. Once you have it installed, you can run through. Today I'm only going to show you how to bookmark a file. Tomorrow we'll maybe look at how we can bookmark a folder. So I'm going to choose the file I want. I'm going to tap OK. It just took me to the file picker, and I've now saved that URL to the clipboard. So let's create a new shortcut. Just go through this quickly. One that we've done before where we can open a URL. I could paste the whole thing in, or what I'll do just to make it that little bit easier is I will add the URL action itself and then just open that predefined URL. So let's just paste that in, take this one out, and we'll put in the proper open URL action. There we go. Automatically works. Let's press play, and you can see it automatically opens that file. Now if I save this shortcut to my home screen, just give it a name, iPad teacher file, something like that, something that's easier for me to reference. You can choose a photo, change a glyph. We've done this in previous days. Add it to my home screen, give it a name. There we go. Now when I look at my home screen, it's there. When I tap it, it takes me straight into that file. Now tomorrow we're going to use the same process, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a folder. Thanks for watching.